Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amal bin Majuri. Today I want to talk about what is artificial intelligence and what is the 3D printing. Artificial intelligence is a field study and type of technology characterized by the development and use of machines that are capable of performing tasks that usually would have required human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer system. Specific application of AI include expert system, natural language processing, and speech recognition and machine vision. AI requires a foundation, specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithm. No one programming language is synonymous with AI, but a few, including Python, R, and Java. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. Medical printing is increasingly deployed in both clinical and research-based healthcare activities. It involves creation of physical replicas of anatomical structures using 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing process. These technologies offer a lot of advantages such as customization, on-demand manufacturing, innovation, and affordable cost.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad bin Zafiq bin Zahari. Today I want to talk about example and type of artificial intelligence in the imaging and 3D printing. AI in radiology has the potential to diagnose Alzheimer's, Parkinson, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis as example of neurodegenerative disorder. Speech analytics is another method for detecting neurological abnormalities because Alzheimer's alters patient language pattern. This is example of neurodegenerative disorder. This is another example is facial detection and recognition. Using virtual filter on our face when taking picture and using Face ID for unlocking our phone are two examples of artificial intelligence that are now part of our daily life. 3D printing has been used in anatomical model for surgical planning, surgical tools, splints, implantable, medical device, processors, and even pharmaceutical drugs. And this is example of 3D printing. Okay, this is a type of 3D printing. First, stereolithography (SLA), and this one is selective laser sintering (SLS), and this one is fused dispersion modeling, and this one is digital light process, and this one is multi-jet fusion, and this one is polyjet, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hassan Al-Basri bin Muhammad Zubair. Today I will explain about new technology and user manual of artificial in the imaging and 3D printing. For the new technology of artificial in the imaging is most common roles for AI in medical setting are clinical decision support and imaging analysis. Clinical decision support tools help provider make decision about treatment, about medication, mental health, and other patient by providing them with quick access to information or research that relevant to their patient. In medical imaging, AI tools are being used to analyze CT scan, X-ray, MRI, and another image for lesion or other finding that a human radiologist. New technology of 3D printing is process that creates a three-dimensional object by building successive layer of raw material. Each new layer is attached to the previous until their object is complete. Objects are produced from digital 3D file such as computer aids designs, chart, drawing, or a magnetic resonance image (MRI). Okay, next I will show you guys about user manual of artificial in the imaging. Next. Okay, next I will show you guys about user manual of 3D printing. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.